Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got this Ruger gun lock. I just got it from an eBay clone here in Switzerland, and it is actually a nice lock. It does look nice. Never saw this before, at least not in Europe. So you got Ruger, you got the logo, and it's laminated, and you got this like shielding here, and let me get a tensioning tool. So when you're tensioning, you also have to move, like this little plate with the cut. Alright, so it's very nice, and it's, as you can see, you have to drill. You not just can like cut it off, you have to drill it off, which I like. Got a long shackle, and it's 4-pin. Here's the key. Got this manual to it, and there's a lot of blah blah blah, but the pictures are very nice. So there you see how you can lock it. You can even use it for rifles. Alrighty, so let's get to it. We are going to pick it. Shouldn't take long. Let me see what we can do. Let's try it. Nope. We're not trying it this way. I'm gonna use this beautiful pick. It's too big. I'm sorry. I should have just take this one. Doesn't matter. Well, it actually doesn't feel bad. Alright, so let's go in here. Pin 1, nothing. Pin 3, little click. Alright, there we open. So you see it's a quick pick. I don't know if it's shimmerable, probably. Can take off the rubber. Oh, we can take that off, alright. Yeah, it's like a sleeve. So, it's a pretty easy pick. Let's try to rake it. It's probably as quick. Well, so what kind of rake do we have? Let's use... Where's my city rake? Ah, it's probably upstairs. Then we use a triple peak or something, I don't know. Anything that fits in here. No. You see, that's a problem. With this shielding, you can't really rake it very well. Oh, there's my city rake. I actually got two here. So let's try the city rake. It should also work. Raking is not my specialty, I have to say. Anyway, let's try the worm, and then that's it. No, I'm slipping with this tensioning tool. Doesn't matter. We picked it. It is. I guess it's rakeable. So let's see. So it's a Ruger number 5025 11-01 Ruger, made in China, with this little note. It is a 4-pin lock, pretty easy to pick, as you can see. Oh nice, even the keys have Ruger on it, stamped. I like that. Alright, that's it. Quick one. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this log. Leave me a comment about the log by the singer. If you know this log, I haven't seen it before. But your Americans probably have. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.